This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a Tuesday because Bitcoin is pumping, crypto is amazing, and it's a great time to be alive. So if you guys are here, make sure you guys smash the like, subscribe, and share this stream out with friends because YouTube doesn't do it, and we shall spread the zest everywhere. Check out our lovely sponsors, both Cake Wallet and Market Cipher. Links are in the live chat and in the description. Use code missteencrypto or code Zesty for 20% off at Market Cipher. If you guys didn't see it, yesterday at 1 p.m. Eastern, I was live with the creator, the man behind Market Cipher, Crypto Face, and he's absolutely amazing. Love that guy. We were just laughing, having a ball with one another, and we were actually talking about PEPE yesterday, and it's so funny because I made a joke about PEPE, and now it's just pumping. So we're going to talk about the meme coins running as well. Guys, say good morning to me as you guys are smashing these likes. Again, remember, we have a goal of 125 likes, 100 live viewers. We crushed it yesterday, so let's make sure we can do that again today. Let's get after it. Say good morning to me. Give me love. Spread the zest to be one with the zest. Absolutely, Emma. Javier, thank you. Thank you. All right. We got Emma, Randy, my girl, Alexandra G. We have who else? Who else? Do. Oh gosh, Creighton. You know what?
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You look like BTC today. Fire, fire, fire.
Stop it. Oh, stop it, Zero Dune. Thank you. I appreciate the super chat. You guys are great. I really do appreciate it. But, you know, Mr. Yeehaw, I almost waged war against you yesterday because they were teasing me about Chad Gable losing his match on Raw last night on WWE. I was devastated. I was watching it. I was like, no, this isn't going to happen. They're not losing. It's impossible that they would lose to New Day. Of all people, sorry, New Day. But, like, Alpha Academy, like, come on. And I was just very upset. I was a little bit devastated. I expressed that in my Discord last night. And then I got mad at people, and I just went to sleep. I went to sleep. I don't even know if I saw the last of the match last night, the main event. Pafu said, thanks for sharing the knowledge. I got you. Brian said, Moon Boys activate. Listen, man, maybe people are activating right now. But again, you can't get greedy.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Thirsty Aztec. That's so cute. Oh, it's a little emoji giving me a coffee. Thank you. Thank you for the coffee. I appreciate it. Guys, if you haven't yet, sip your coffee. Enjoy it. But yeah, Mr. Yeehaw, I'm going to wage war against you. You're like this close. You see how like there's basically no room there? Yeah. That's where I'm at right now. And then Creighton. I can't with Creighton. I can't with both. No. Brothers T, nice to see you. We have Tom Allen in the chat. Monday Night Mommy, yes. War Player said GM Gang. You're adorable, War Player. Hi, Colin. It's nice to see you. Automatic Beats, Lazarus. Nice to see you guys. Josh V. We love Josh V in the chat. Hi, Josh V. Fit for Business says +1 Lifer, sending you all the good energy and vibes. Thank you, Lifer fam. I love the Lifer fam. And Crimson. Oh, shoot. I pressed the wrong button. Gosh, that didn't do anything dramatic. Who else we have? We got True. Nice to see you. Paul Kelly Music. No G, you're on time today. Hi, Greg. He said, nice dress. Thank you. I appreciate it. This is probably my favorite besides the one I wore yesterday. And I was like, I got to be zesty today. Got to be denim and bullish. So this is my bullish outfit. Ovalboard, good morning to you. Nice to see you. Is Richard in the chat, guys? Is Richard Barry in the chat? It's his birthday today, but I want to give him love. Joe Harvey, good morning to you. Mr. Strap is in the chat. Thank you, Mr. Strap. Mr. Strap is subscribed to my Twitter. You guys should subscribe to my X account. Get exclusive tweets I post every day, and I just want love over there, so please subscribe. Paul Kelly, again, I said good morning to you already. Candle Papa said hello, pageant contestants. Miss Teen Crypto finalists. You're hilarious. Hi, Eric Carlson. He said bullish on MTC and BTC. I appreciate that. David, good morning to you, my friend. Who else? Crypto Baboon said 12.5K. It's coming soon.
Bruh.
Kaiser, good morning to you. Dave's FinTech channel. What's up? Mello, good morning. Lux Shampoo, hello. Meninja, hi. Who else we have? We have All Set, Fabio, hello. Ski Packs, good morning. Who else? I think we got everyone. I don't think we got everyone. I'm actually lying. But I think I got for the most part. Oh, Eric, other Eric. We have so many Erics in this chat. Hi, Bulldog. It's nice to see you. Chris Allen, nice to see you. Nash, good morning. I got you. Dream Tanks, hi. Okay. I'm seeing some people I didn't see before. I think I got everyone. But if I didn't say hello to you, please yell at me and say, Randy, what are you doing? No G7 MTC outfits on fleek. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. We're dressed today. We're a jumper. You guys are too much. Crypto Baboon said FOMO, bruh. Listen, we'll talk about it. We'll talk about it. Don't worry. All right, guys. Smash these likes, share the stream out with friends again. And you guys know we have a goal of 125 likes, 100 live viewers. Tony said, Randy, what are you doing? I'm losing my noodle is what I'm doing. My noodle is lost. Like, we're doing so many things today. Hi, Honda Man. Guys, again, make sure you guys are a member so you guys can spam those Gary emojis because Gary Gensler is about to take the L of all L's when that Bitcoin ETF gets approved. Now, before we get into that, guys, again, we're going to go over our market recap. Mark, I'm corny? Yeah, I am. Hi, Angel. Do you think this is sustainable? I'm having FOMO. Listen, always have a bullish and a bearish case scenario. I'll actually jump into that when I jump on the charts. Kirk Kane, holler at you, holla. Okay, let's get into it. We got the market recap. PEPE is up 32%. And you know what? This is probably because it's because I shouted it out yesterday. And again, I'm not saying I'm a market mover. I'm just making the joke that yesterday on the podcast with Crypto Face, I gave him such sheesh for PEPE. And it was just like joking around because I feel like everyone has a little bit of PEPE, right? At least in crypto because we're degens. And I just got to go over that chart in a little bit because meme coins are pumping. We'll talk about that. This coin is up 100%. I don't even know what it is. And we just have so many things going on. Hex is still on a run. Hex is up 22%. I don't know if you guys could see the bubble, so I'm bringing it closer to you. But Hex is up 22%, up 200% for the week. Again, I knew someone that bought Pulse and Hex at the bottom. I got to call him. I literally have to call him. This is absolutely insane what's going on. But this all comes with Bitcoin pumping it up. And Bitcoin has kind of been withdrawing in the last few hours. So that's why on the hour bubbles here, we're seeing a little bit of a dip. Let's talk about the charts and stuff because, guys, we're seeing that our targets are ridiculously accurate. And I'm so excited because this is what we look for. This is why we do charts, so we could see maybe what could happen in the future, what could happen now, like what's happening at the moment. So we have $34,345 Bitcoin. We're up almost 4% today. And this is absolutely amazing because our targets have been smashed. And we actually hit 35K yesterday, and we hit $35,212 this morning. Now, let's get into market Cipher because this is important. We see here that...
Thank you. You're welcome.
Oh, shoosh. Oh, shoot. I mean, I didn't say that.
Heart. Crypto is amazing and you're amazing. Heart. 0.25000000 LTC.
Thank you for the quarter Litecoin, Mr. Anonymous. You're so nice, Mr. Anonymous. Shout out to Mr. Anonymous. Mr. Yeehaw could never. I'm just kidding. Ugh. Mr. Anonymous might take his side now. Oh gosh. Listen, guys, the RSI, we are in almost overbought territory. Apologies. I'm used to oversold because we were in bearish territory. But we are close to overbought, which is actually really interesting. And it's only been within the last few days. Now we're finally on the daily chart. We're seeing some green money flow. It's nice. It's beautiful. She's out here. We see some curvatures that we were looking at yesterday on Market Cipher with Crypto Face. The curvatures. We like curvatures. And we see that the momentum spiking, money flow pumping. The VWAP is staying above the zero line, and we were hopeful that it would, as it was heading down, spike back up confidently, which is exactly what it did. And we are sideways now. This is telling me that things could go either way. We could keep pumping, we could keep going, or we might withdraw a little bit. So what I would watch in that case is the VWAP for the most part and the RSI. That would probably tell you a lot in the moment. We're looking here at Bitcoin. And again, we identified the three white bros, aka the three white soldiers. I just have my own language. You guys are going to have to deal. I might make a guide one day on my own language, my own TA slang, whatever it may be. We're going to do that one day. Anyway, the three white bros, this is a bullish pattern, and it becomes invalid at 25.1. We were like, all right, this looks pretty zesty. And we did pamp it up. Our levels got absolutely smashed. 27.1, smashed. Went above that 200-day SMA. We were like, okay, hopefully we close for a few days above that. Great. 28.4, beautiful. Pamped it up over the weekend, smashed 30.5. Guys, we were talking about 30.5K again. We had it circled. We were like, okay, The next thing we're looking for is to stay above 30.5, hit this July high, which was around, again, 31.4, and go past it. Now, what we were also looking at yesterday, but I didn't have the line drawn, now I do. We were like, okay, you know, maybe 34K could be in the cards. And it actually happened, which is like absolutely ridiculous that we even spoke about that yesterday. My mind was blown. I was so excited. What's important now is that we're holding this level. What I could potentially see coming next could be some sideways trading in between, but looking at 39.7, and I did put that in the poll today if you guys want to jump in that poll. We're having some bullish momentum again, and number can't always go up. In the past, when we've seen Bitcoin have a nice run up like this, let's say, okay, since Thursday, what have we done with Bitcoin? Since Thursday, we are up 21% with Bitcoin. That is absolutely gorgeous. We can't get caught up in these green candles because when Bitcoin, again, has a nice run up. We even saw this in June. We had a nice run up. We did retrace. We consolidated, and then we pumped up again. We saw here, again, we recovered from FTX in January. We retraced a little bit to that point, but then we pumped it up. After we pumped it up for a while, we consolidated, pumped again, retrace, consolidated, pumped again. So could we retrace and maybe see, again, 30.3 again? Absolutely, that's possible. That's why you have to have a bullish and a bearish case scenario. The best case scenario, again, is this volume continuing to come through. We hold 34K, or at least above 30.5. That's what's really important to me right now. Then I feel like we're styling. And especially because, again, we're above the 200-day SMA. And when you're above the 200-day SMA, that's typically bullish price action, which, of course, we've seen play out so far. I'm very excited. I think Bitcoin's amazing. If you guys are excited, if you guys think that maybe we could sustain maybe 35K, head up to that 39.7, put a yes emoji in the chat or put a 1 if you're not a member. And if you feel like we're going to have some damage, if you think we're going to retrace, it's going to be scary, put a no emoji or put a 2 if you're not a member. Guys, we need you guys to have all these member emojis. And we're pamping it up. Woo! You got to pamp it up. Oh yeah, pamp it up. You got to pamp it up. Pamp it up. Okay, let's head over to Ethereum. Ethereum, guys, we were looking at this. Oh
my God.
I am so excited. Look at this. $1,828 Ethereum, up 3.5% today. Woohoo! You guys take a look at this. This is beautiful. Guys, the curvature, she's going up. We need some green money flow here. I'm actually very surprised. Again, I even said this yesterday, that we're not in the green in terms of money flow. We printed a green dot here on Market Cipher. We spiked, bro. We were like, woohoo! And we also see that we did good with the VWAP, but it is retracing a little bit. But maybe, again, it could pull like a Bitcoin, go dip and come back up and have like a nice V shape. We also see this RSI that's just absolutely ridiculous the past 2 days. And we see here that it is just overbought, ever so slightly overbought. And typically when that happens, there could be a downtrend or whatever, a little decrease in price, and which we don't want to see. And it could, the bullish momentum absolutely could keep going because we're seeing this volume come in and it looks pretty nice. And we could enter that green money flow. On top of that, we were looking the other day at 1550. We pamped this sheesh up. It became support. We were like, woohoo! And then we went to 1630. I said, all right, hopefully we confidently go through that, confidently go through 1700, which we did in the last few days. And we touched that 200-day SMA yesterday, but rejected it. Now today we opened up at 1760. We pamped it up to 1820, which was another critical resistance. And we hit that 200-day SMA. We have to stay above the 200-day SMA or I will get emotional. Just kidding. You can't get emotional in your trades. I'm just very into this. I feel like this is a telenovela out here. But you can't get scared. You can't be emotionally tied. Again, have that bullish and bearish case scenario. Take a look here. 1820. We pamped it up. We hit 1855 today, which is great. And the next point we're looking at is, of course, 1911. I don't know. It's like not a random number, but it's a zesty number. It's not the typical number, 1911, like blah, 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 blah. But that's what I'm looking at, and I feel like that's what has been hit multiple times and has been a big tip for Ethereum. So again, we could stay above this 200-day SMA. I'm more than happy with that. And I'm so happy about Litecoin. Look at Litecoin. Pamp it up for Litecoin. You've got to pamp it up. Edwin, what's the news? Hi, Kenny. Edwin, if there's actual news concerning that, like if it's besides if it's just pumping, but if there's actual news, then share it with me because I'll put it on the show then. $70.75, Litecoin 2.5% in the green. People were sleeping on Litecoin, and look at her go now. Let's take a look at Market Cipher here, where we're seeing that woo. We're kind of in the bullish zone for the RSI, which is cool. And that curvature, look at her go. Hey, look at that curvature. Hey, okay, now we're at the zero line with the money flow. So hopefully that goes into the green. And I'm surprised it's not already. Momentum shifted, sideways view up. That could hopefully spike up. Wow, this looks great. This looks great. We see here that we defeated our $63 resistance that dated back all the way here to August of 2022. Meow. Now we passed our $67, which was a big target for us. We're at 70, and now our next target is $74 Litecoin. And of course, hitting that 200-day SMA, that's at $80.62. We saw Bitcoin already way beyond its 200-day SMA. Ethereum just above it now, needs to hold, and Litecoin needs to go and test that. And listen, if everything else is, probably Litecoin will too. So just keep that in mind. Look out for Litecoin. Again, none of this is financial advice. I have that in the description of the video, disclaimer as well. But we're just looking at the levels. We're just observing.
You're welcome.
Oh, shoot.
You're welcome.
An ADA symbol with go perfect with that dress. Smiley face. 203.413205 ADA.
Aww. Thank you for the Cardano. Crypto Crow would throw a fit. Oh my gosh. Big Papa Jason, where are you at? Someone needs to tag Big Papa Jason. Someone needs to tag Crypto Crow and tell him to come here because we'll go over the Cardano chart just because he gave me some Cardano. Oh, you're so sweet, Josh V. Shout out to Josh V.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Sound money.
See, is this you? I appreciate the super chat and all, but is this you like trying to like ease the rebellion because it's not working? I'm still upset over you making fun of me over Chad Gable. Still upset, guys. We have Cardano. Let's take a gander. All right, yeah, I knew I had lines over here. Yeah, look at Cardano. Literally double bottom right here. Tapped 24 cents twice and bounced right off of it, which is great. It's support now, which it kind of has been support since January as well. Now, we're about to test the 200-day SMA here. What is that at? Almost 31 cents for Cardano. We're currently around 29 cents, up 3%. See what's going on here. Whoa, the RSI is bullish. VWAP needs to look a little bit more bullish, but we're about to approach that green money flow here as well, so go Cardano. I mean, listen, we need some bullish price action on Cardano. It's been like the same price forever. So, yeah, that's beautiful. Good for Cardano. Thank you for the Cardano, Josh V. Oh, also Doge. Guys, this is big. This is big. Guys, look at this. I was a little nervy. I was like, oh, no, Dogecoin. But look at this. RSI, crazy. Everything crazy. And then look at this. Look at this. Guys, we bounced off our, what is this? Basically 6 cent resistance, which is now looking at support. We were nervous about the oh sheesh zone, but now we're okay. And well, for now we're okay. Anyway, pimped it up to our next target, which was 6.5 cents. Woo! And then we tested the 200-day SMA today and rejected it, but it is at 0.069 cents, which is a zesty number, guys, Guys, I'm so excited. Doge is up around 1% today. We need to get past that 200-day SMA. People are sleeping on Doge. I've been saying it for a while. Doge is proof of work. It's its own decentralized blockchain. It's not a regular meme coin. It can actually be used for value transfer and is. Doge experienced some of its highest transactions ever in the past few months because of the meme coins, because of Bitcoin ordinals and Ethereum gas fees, which kind of leads us to meme coins and all the liquidations that have been happening over the past few days. But before we get into the news, I just saw Richard come into the chat. Shout out to Richard Barry. This guy is so awesome. He comes into my Discord and my Telegram and he just drops absolute freaking alpha in there. So shout out to Richard Barry and happy birthday to him. Can everyone say happy birthday to Richard? Happy birthday. Pump it up. Woo! You got to pump it up. Give love to Richard. Happy birthday, friend. Happy birthday. Thank you for all your TA wisdom. You actually have taught me a lot, so I really appreciate you. Mike Volmer, Ermif, nice to see you. Stone Monkey, hi. Yes, love to you, Richard Barry. Here's some... Yay. Cryptophasia, nice to see you. Oh, I think we have new people in here today. Andy S., Johnny M., Mr. Strap is still in the chat. Wow, Don Manning, hi. Finally made it to a stream, even though work is destroying your life. I hope you're doing okay. Thank you for coming. I very much appreciate you spending your time with me. Crypto Crack is in the chat. We are Satoshi. Nice to see you. Andre, Falx is in the chat. Andre, oh yeah, I said Andre already. Nice to see you guys. David Lee, Ivan. Oh gosh, Creighton. I keep seeing his name everywhere. Unrivaled Dre, Johnny M, Ivan. Wow, we have some beautiful people here. Thank you guys for coming. I appreciate you. Barber Trader Joe, nice YouTube channel. Thank you, my friend. Are you new? I don't know. I have to see your PFP. I can't see the PFPs on the screen. Barber Trader Joe. Got it. I feel like I've seen your name before. Anyway, guys, again, we have 84 people watching, 71 likes. Can we get 100 likes, please, while we get into the news? That would be absolutely beautiful. You're sad you missed the Crypto Face video? Watch it. It's really awesome. Barber Trader Joe, you're in Lifers community. That's where I've seen your name before. Nice to see you. Thank you for coming and spending your time with me. Sam talks very good of you. Thank you. I love Sam. Shout out to Sam. I was in his stream yesterday. He told everyone to come here afterwards because he was streaming early. He's a nice dude. Joel Sanchez, hi. All right, guys. Meme coins, liquidations, up the wazoo. Before we get into the meme coins, let's talk about everyone sleeping on Bitcoin. This has been a huge problem. Bitcoin spiking and hitting 35K melted some faces. And it's actually funny that I tweeted to my subscribers right before the pump, Bitcoin's going to melt faces soon. Get ready. I didn't know when it was going to happen, but I was ready for it, which is, dang, subscribe. Anyway, guys, because of all of this, shorts, longs, everyone's getting scared. Oh my God, what's going to happen? $220 million in liquidations from what? Shorts. The bears got absolutely squeezed. Let's talk about it, guys. This is actually awesome. As the price of Bitcoin surged past 34K, wiped out more than $220 million in leveraged short positions over the past 24 hours. Derivatives traders have endured more than $400 million in liquidations over the past day. Short positions were the hardest, with $304 million liquidated in shorts compared to $97.5 million in longs. This is the largest liquidation since August 17th when Bitcoin plunged 9% below 25K. Guys, this is absolutely wild. You guys see all of this going down here. According to a risk manager, Bitcoin is seeing increased interest from institutional investors amid economic uncertainty and global unrest. Absolutely. And you see institutions flying into this space. People are so relentless. They're ready to buy Bitcoin. They're ready to get involved. They know that Bitcoin is inevitable. People are becoming aware of the 4-year cycle, even though I'm skeptical of the 4-year cycle. And if it's really going to hold up, we will see. That we'll end up seeing that pan out either way. I'm ready for a change. Whenever people say Bitcoin is going to do something, it usually doesn't. People, when we were recovering from FTX, we first hit 20K, people said that's a sucker's rally, and we are going back to 10K, 8K. And a lot of these people, again, they made their calls. They took their risk. But that's why you have to, no matter what anyone says, have a bullish and a bearish case scenario. Never put your money at risk because of something somebody says. For example, if people were listening to the mainstream media for the past 14 years since Bitcoin's creation, they would have never bought Bitcoin because the mainstream media says Bitcoin is terrible, it ruins families, it's not good for the environment. Well, we know that's not true, and we know that because we did our own research. So again, please don't listen to what anybody says, listen to what your heart says, and be prepared for whatever happens. People didn't expect meme coins to take off again. They said PEPE was dead, and I feel like PEPE has some spark in her. She's ready to pamp it up, and she absolutely did, even though I made a joke about it yesterday with Crypto Face. PEPE meme coin burned $5.5 million in tokens, which prompted a 30% pump. Give me 1 second, guys. I don't know why construction happens every single time I'm live. I just have to close the window. Anyway, $5.5 million in tokens burned with PEPE, which again made it pump 30%. We see here that there was a $6.9 trillion, 69 trillion token burn, which is $5.5 million.
You're welcome.
Oh, shoot.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're
Oh,
welcome.
gosh.
Okay, hold on a second. Now maybe, just maybe, a little karma happened to Gable. Poor Mike was standing by a
serious?
curb, minding his business, while a Ferrari was speeding down the street driven by Face. Then you decided to push him in front of it. Karma.
Oh my God.
I can't believe you just said that. I cannot believe you just said that. Listen, Face drives his Rari. I love my Raris. But I also like Maseratis, which is why I asked him the question. And you know what? Mr. Yeehaw, I didn't throw him anywhere. He threw himself there if he felt that way because I defended it. I said, I like Maseratis. I even confirmed that in the Discord. So this is all FUD. This is all FUD, Creighton. You're trying to FUD me. You're spreading fake news. And we don't like fake news on this channel. I did not push him. Stop it. I did not. You know what? And it's like you want me to wage war against him, which I'm very close to doing anyway. So you might just push me all the way there. And you know what? It wasn't Chad Gable's fault that he lost that match. It was not. Shoved. I can't with you. I can't. I actually can't. I refuse to listen to you now. I refuse. I'm ignoring you now. Unless there's a TVD quote, I'm over it. We see here that the meme coin, oh, thank you for subscribing, friend. PEPE is now trading at a 2-month high, and the team now holds $3.72 million in token, which would have minimum impact if it was sold. A new team of advisors brought on to guide PEPE forward. The decision to burn tokens came after a handful of rogue developers executed a series of unexpected transfers out of the project's multi-sig wallet, effectively stealing millions of dollars worth of PEPE. And this burned an adequate 1.6% of the total supply. Now, I'm going to head over to Dex Tools, because that's where I have my chart here for PEPE. Let's get that up. I don't know why that wasn't there earlier. My apologies. All right, guys, you see that PEPE is up 27% in the past 24 hours. Oh, shoot, my lines are gone. Everything's gone. This is depressing. Okay, whatever. We see here that PEPE, it was almost at its floor. It was testing some dangerous levels. I was getting a little nervous for her over here. And we were just wondering what's going to happen with PEPE next. Because again, it was on like the downtrend of a lifetime here, as you guys could see as well. So it kind of broke out of that downtrend and is currently breaking out again, up 30%. So I'm very interested to see what happens with PEPE next. I think that this could be pretty significant in terms of the meme coin market. People said meme coins were dead, and I really just don't believe that. I think meme coins definitely have a nice place in the market, especially because we knew in 2020 what was pumping the grocery store coins. So there you go. Anything is possible. And we do see like a mix here. If you look on Dex Tools, you can see the buys and the sells. But there's a lot of buying going on. A lot of buying. People trading against each other for sure. But things are going on here. I don't know about you guys. I don't know. But I'm ready for a Bitcoin ETF because the anticipation is already here. I'm not a fan of institutions, as y'all know, but at the end of the day, we know they're going to enter the space. We know big money is going to follow the value. And of course, Bitcoin has all the value. BlackRock, on the other hand, sheesh, man. Sheesh. They're ready to launch their ETF. But it didn't stop someone like Jim Cramer from coming out and saying that Bitcoin is going to crash. So while we're waiting for BlackRock's ETF, Fidelity's ETF, all of these people's ETFs, we had to deal with Jim Cramer 13 days ago said,
I just can't get on I can't be in something that where Mr. Bitcoin is about to go down big.
Mr. Bitcoin's about to go down big. That's what Jim Cramer said. That was 13 days ago. Bitcoin is up 30% since he said that, as well as more progress in ETFs. BlackRock now listed their Bitcoin ETF ticker on NASDAQ. So I want you guys to jump in and take in all of this knowledge. The iShares Spot Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund, which is an ETF that's proposed by BlackRock, has been listed in the Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation, the DTCC, suggesting potential approval by the SEC. On a post, Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric said that the DTCC listing was all part of the process of bringing a crypto ETF to the market. This has a ticker symbol of IBTC. This is the first spot ETF listed on DTCC. None of the others have made it on there. Definitely notable, BlackRock is leading the charge on these logistics, seeding ticker DTCC, that tend to happen prior to launch. Hard not to view them as getting the signal that approval is certain or imminent. People are speculating that BlackRock already received the green light and was prepping everything assuming so. Now, we could just sit back for a minute and put on our tinfoil hat, where last week, with the false Cointelegraph tweet, we saw that Cointelegraph said that the ETF for BlackRock got approved. Supposedly, that was false. But what if it wasn't? What if it was leaked information that the BlackRock ETF was approved, but the market makers or the big people that want to buy Bitcoin like BlackRock, they weren't ready yet? That's maybe what you could think about. Or you could say, hey, false go last week. Now BlackRock's getting ready now. But it's just something to think about. There's going to be relentless moves to make a Bitcoin ETF possible. Gary Gensler, it's just a matter of when he says it's okay. The speculation now goes, will BlackRock come first? Or will all ETFs be approved at once to prevent a first mover advantage with BlackRock themselves, even though we already think BlackRock has the upper hand in this situation due to their connections and how big they are and how much of the world they actually control. If you guys think that BlackRock will come first for the Bitcoin ETF, comment that down below. Put a yes. And if you think that all of them are going to come out at once, also let me know. You can put a 2 or if you want. 200 likes, Dave Digital says. Yeah, let's go, Dave Digital. We have over 100 people watching. We need 100 likes. We have 6 more until that happens. Pamp it up. You got to pamp it up. And shout out to Uncle Jimmy. Hi, Uncle Jimmy. Welcome, Uncle Jimmy. Speaking of Bitcoin ETFs, Grayscale, there's some movement there where the court victory that they had, the SEC, Gary Gensler, did not appeal to their victory, which means that a Bitcoin ETF from Grayscale is imminent. This is made final. The D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals closed the books on a dispute between the SEC and Grayscale, a final ruling that effectively orders the agency to scrap its rejection of the Bitcoin ETF. This was on Monday, essentially solidified the court's initial ruling 2 months ago that the SEC was arbitrary and capricious in its decision to reject the Grayscale attempt to convert its $17 billion GPTC into an ETF. Beautiful. Now it's in the SEC's court where the SEC has to approve Grayscale's application. Following this is already bullish news. Grayscale, new announcement from Eleanor. Shout out to Eleanor. She said, Grayscale is now partnering with FTSE Russel, which is the London Stock Exchange Group business, to launch a crypto sector index series, which will separate assets into 5 main indices, which are currencies, smart contract platforms, financials, consumer and culture, and utility of services, and will include coverage of 150 protocols. 150 protocols, which means, again, it's not Bitcoin only. So we see if you are interested in crypto, if you are interested in altcoins, now is a great time to do your research. And if you feel like accumulating some, then go for it or don't. Again, your call. More than one cryptocurrency is already an ETF, which is Ethereum. Ethereum ETFs became first before an Bitcoin ETF. There will be other cryptocurrency ETFs. There will be other crypto sector indexes like Grayscale is looking to launch as well, that's breaking down currency, smart contracts, all because we see different purposes with different parts of the crypto sector. Whether that is distributed ledger technology, decentralized applications, it's all going to be used. It's all going to be monetized in some way, shape, or form. Do your own research and get ready for what's going to come. It's going to be explosive. This next bull market will be beyond melting faces. It's going to melt the world. So just be prepared for it. I'm highly excited, guys. I'm highly excited. I don't know about you guys, but things are happening. Things are happening. And even yesterday, you could even look at the video we were playing with the from CNBC with Hester Pierce. It was actually a great video, and I feel like let's actually watch it again because it's really relevant. Really relevant.
Join us to talk about crypto regulation, debates over ESG, and so much more. SEC Commissioner Hester Pierce. She is one of 2 Republicans among the 5 SEC commissioners. Good morning to you. Love to get your sense of where you think the state of some of these regulations around crypto really stand right now. There's been so much speculation, even in the past several weeks, about where a Bitcoin ETF might land. There was a moment, as you, I'm sure, recall, where a report came out, erroneously apparently, that one would be approved. That would be the BlackRock one. But a view that, given some of the things that have happened in court recently with the SEC losing, that maybe the SEC is now more open to approving one of these types of funds. Is it?
Well, good morning, Andrew. And I can't say whether or not the commission is ready to approve a Bitcoin exchange traded product. I've been thinking we should approve one for the last 5 years. So that the logic for why we haven't has always mystified me. The court case obviously is an important factor in the landscape, but I can't guess as to my colleagues' approach to this topic.
But the reason I ask is there's a sort of a speculative fever taking place throughout Wall Street and other parts of the crypto world that believe that given those court results or those losses, if you will, or specifically that one loss, that it would change the thinking of the other commissioners at the SEC. You spend time with them. You talk to them. Do you see any shift in terms of that type of thinking, just even generally speaking?
I really can't speak to what we're going to do on the Bitcoin exchange traded products. I can say that generally the agency has not been very good when it comes to anything related to Bitcoin or other crypto assets. And look, I hope that every day I hope that they'll wake up and they'll think, you know what, we need to take a more productive approach. That hasn't happened yet, but I'm, of course, hoping that it will.
But I guess the question is, should the public take anything away from the fact that a BlackRock or a Fidelity or somebody of that size, scale, perhaps reputation, is applying for these things, that somehow is validating this space in a way that perhaps maybe some of the smaller firms that had applied for such types of funds earlier did not?
Well, I think it's a reflection of the fact that there are a lot of firms that think the public is interested in these kinds of products. Again, you know, people have to be careful about trying to read the tea leaves of what agencies are doing, and I'm not going to contribute to that. I'm just going to say that, you know, obviously we're seeing more and more interest from firms in these products, and I hear a lot of interest from investors in these kinds of products as well.
And there you go. She's mystified, the poor woman. She doesn't know what to do out here. She's just like, do I do this? Do I say that? She just doesn't know. And she's just mad at Gary Gensler. She's mad at Gary Gensler. That's about it. And I actually found something pretty interesting because, you know, Gary Gensler, he calls us all
hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
He also comes after Coinbase. And again, the reason why I think that's so sussy and that's so weird that he comes after Coinbase is because the government uses Coinbase to sell their crypto. What we are seeing here is that Coinbase is going to submit a final push to dismiss their SEC lawsuit. So here, take a gander at this. After a month-long back and forth, Coinbase is taking one of the final shots. They're going to issue a final plea on Tuesday, which is today, to a federal judge to dismiss the lawsuit. According to a person familiar with the matter, Coinbase's brief will focus on the exchange's case, which is that the SEC is violating major questions doctrine, which prevents the agencies from engaging in issues Congress has not yet ruled on.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
I don't want to face my future without you. Everything that is good in me is you two TVD quotes. That's like extra credit, hugging face.
It's like extra credit. You're a sick dude.
Oh my God!
Thank you for the super chat. What a freaking nut. That should get you off the hook? No, I'm still salty. I'm literally still salty. That's it. Listen, Mr. Yeehaw, you got to do something. Things are not looking good for you, bro. Things are not looking good for you. Like I was saying, Coinbase, SEC lawsuit. The SEC alleged that the exchange facilitated trading of unregistered securities and therefore operated as an unregistered exchange broker and clearinghouse. This included Cardano, Solana, and other 13 tokens. Guys, this is all fun.
Bruh.
Why? Because again, the government uses Coinbase themselves to sell their Bitcoin. Coinbase is also offering institutional options for U.S. businesses. Wait, what world do you think that this case is actually going to go somewhere? Especially because, Coinbase is an IPO. They got approved for the IPO, which means they had to talk to the SEC. There were conversations there. This is just to scare people from using Coinbase, getting on crypto, and embracing this space. Theater. I call it all theater because it's exactly what it is. That is it. Now, friends, because things are pumping and because I'm feeling zesty this morning, are there any charts y'all would like me to take a gander at? Because I want to look at charts. And if you guys have requests, I want to request. Crypto Crag, why are you trying to ban him? Creighton, you gave me 2. All right. You know what? Like, 2 helps your situation, but it's not really going to solve our issues. We have deep-rooted issues now. Deep-rooted issues. Juicified, hi. Nice to see you. Nana, hi, Nana. Aww. Nana, I will look at your charts. I will look at Theta for you. I'm a Theta fan, I gotta say. I do like Theta. I wish it would just do more, you know what I mean? Mr. Yeehaw, see, I think war is starting today. I'm going to pretend you didn't say that. If you say it again, war. That's it. Theta. Sheesh, man. Let's look at Theta. Okay. Oh, is this like its all-time chart? Okay, that makes more sense. Let's take a gander.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
I mean, I like it, but fake roses, man. They just hurt the heart. Let's take a look at this. Okay. So I'll do. Okay. Here we go. Theta kind of hitting the floor right now, almost hitting all-time lows, and its all-time lows were about 7 cents. Well, obviously probably started from nothing, but we see here that we have Theta that's sitting at 66 cents, 666. Oh my gosh, that is a crazy number. We also see that we're kind of squeezed here. If you see Nana, let's see. Boop, boop. We're kind of squeezed here between $1.68 and 66 cents. That's pretty much the gist of what's going on here. We fell below the 200-day SMA, and then we've been bearish ever since, but it looks like we want to retest it again, and that might be because of, again, Bitcoin pumping and all of that. I would like to see, ideally, we have some strong volume pushing through that 200-day SMA that's at 76 cents, and then somehow make it up to $1.69, but that's like a long way away. Let's take a look here. Money flow coming through. That's beautiful. If we hit that zero line, that's great. VWAP going good. And the RSI is spiking. So I feel like if we continue on this motion, if Bitcoin especially continues to go up, Nana, if we smash that 200-day SMA, I think maybe in between, because that's like a very far range, I would probably be looking at right here, which is around $1.25, $1.27. That's what I'd be looking at next. If you really smash through that 200-day SMA and we go on a crazy run, Yeah, that would be absolutely sick. And we see here that what was this? Saturday, September 23rd. We got some nice volume coming in here too. What was Bitcoin doing on the 23rd? That's the 28th, 24, 23. Bitcoin barely did anything. It didn't even trade that day. It was like literally nothing. So that's very interesting that Theta did its own thing, Nana. So you know that Theta has a little bit of independence. A little bit of independence. Okay, what's next? What's next? Depressing, but a buying opportunity. Listen, all altcoins, Nana, most of them are down 95%. So if you believe in the technology, if you believe in what they're going to do, and if they're still building, then I think a lot of altcoins could be good buys right now. Absolutely, I agree with you. Hi, Michael. Jay, why are you staring at me like that? I'm shy. Oh, sorry. I won't look at you then.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Oh, Ninja, you gave me a cake emoji. Oh, that was the wrong button. Thank you. I love that. I appreciate that. Savage Trades got MTC and Lifer on at the same time. Now that's support. That's beautiful, Savage Trades. Hi, Memory Man. All right, let's see. Was that Hex one of them? All right, let's do the Hex chart. Guys, again, if you have chart requests, send them over. I will chart your chart. Okay. Ow. Yeah, Hex. Oh my gosh. What's going on here? All right, let's break her down. Hex is looking pretty distinguished. Pretty distinguished, if y'all ask me. Let's see. Okay, let me, I'm not even screen sharing. Okay. Here we go, guys. We're stuck in a little range here with Hex where we're kind of like going back to August of 2020 with how sad it is. And again, we fell below that 200-day SMA here in May. We've been just slipping, and it's especially because of the Richard Hart SEC case, which I haven't heard anything about. And the Highest of Stakes movie came out, and it really didn't push Hex price. It's still below a penny. It looks like it actually wants to push over to a penny. So hopefully it gets back above 1 cent. We see we've been having some rising momentum here with Hex. And what else? That VWAP heading towards that zero line, but it seems like the money flow is coming through, and people are starting to get confident. And it was actually overbought, the RSI, and kind of took a dip down here, which makes sense as to why the momentum maybe slowed down here. But we want to break through a penny with Hex and get back to like 0.0179 cents. That's 200-day SMA, and then go right through that. Hex has a history of moving a significant amount in a short amount of time, as y'all can see here. It's absolutely ridiculous. So if Hex makes a run, it's going to go. It's going to go. And that's it. Because these hexagons are really like no other. These hexagons are freaking crazy. So that's just about that. Any other ones? Any other charts? What other charts would you like me to look at? ICP is a rug. Oh no, Andy S. All right, because Andy S is asking, I'll do ICP. Again, just because I am doing the chart does not mean I'm endorsing the project. I'm just looking at charts because that's what I do nowadays.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Oh gosh,
You're welcome.
Joe.
You're welcome.
Good morning _Bitcoin, poop. Retro Mike showed me how to do emoji overflows _Bitcoin, poop, duck, _DG byte, is a, poop, cookie, coffee, _Litecoin _Ethereum _Dogecoin.
Thank you. You're
Oh
welcome.
gosh,
Thank
both
you.
of you
You're
guys,
welcome.
double trouble.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Seriously. Flux for the miners in chat. They did their big announcement yesterday. Don't do it for me. Do it for your adoring fans.
All you do is cause trouble, Mr. Yeehaw. See, this is what gets you in trouble. Joe, with your emoji overflow, I guess you don't have any coin requests, and don't call Digibyte a poop coin, because it's definitely not. It's probably one of the best pieces of tech in crypto. All right, I'll look at ICP, and then I'll look at Flux, which is claiming they're decentralized, but I don't believe it's decentralized. Let's look at ICP. What exchange is best for this? Probably Binance. Binance? It's Binance. All right. So ICP, we're looking at some interesting levels here because we fell below. Whoa. I don't know. Is this their all-time chart? Guys, comment if Binance is the best exchange to look at this from. I think it might be, but I think it might be. Let's see. I think so. I think we're good. Okay. Looking here, ICP, we're up 1.88%, 3.5 cents. We're seeing here that we fell below $3.40, which was a little worrisome because, again, I don't have any previous data here according to Binance. So as I could see here, the earliest that they have is when ICP was around $7. So you definitely see there was a strong retrace here, well over 50%. We see here that we are battling with $3.50. We want to make sure we hit that 200-day SMA at $4.16. We need some momentum to pull us through. So let's see what Market Cipher is saying. We have some strong momentum. Oh my gosh, that RSI is freaking mooning right now. And the VWAP. We need more. We need a spike in VWAP and that money flow to come in so that way we could push that 200-day SMA because it's really not far. How much farther do we have to get? Let's see. Let's measure her out. We need to go up another 14%. If Bitcoin goes on another run, then ICP, if it has the volume, it could probably make a run. Hopefully. Again, we want to make sure we stay above $3.40. I would say that for ICP. Now let's look at Flux. Flux. I don't think I've looked at Flux. Oh, yeah, we have looked at Flux. Okay, so the last time we were looking at it, this is what we were looking for. We were looking at this level right here, which was basically the floor of like 39 cents. We fell below that, tested it, and rejected it here on the 8th of September. 35 cents today, 2.88% in the green. We're seeing that VWAP spiking, so it means that we could potentially go on a higher run here. The RSI is spiking too, so listen, if that continues, then why wouldn't it go back to its, what's this? 39-cent resistance, which was support and became resistance.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
I'm back from NYC, but I didn't have time to see you when I was there. Frowning face.
How dare you? How dare you, Joe? Just abandon me like that. Andy S., thank you for the 5 memberships. Woo! Give it up. I did not endorse Flux. I did not endorse Flux. Guys, we need 4 more likes for 125. I live 70 miles from a Walmart. I never get Dunkin'. It's okay, Haven. It's okay. Craig said, damn, I never won a membership. Oh, I'm sorry, friend. But thank you, Andy, for the 5 memberships. Make sure you guys, if you guys are here, spam those Gary emojis. If you guys have any more requests, I'll take them. Let's see. I love membership, Rain. Flux, yeah, bro. Flux, yeah. Steven says. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. I can't say I'm bullish on Flux. I cannot say that. Mong Cryptophagia said. Mong. Oh, it's been a minute since I heard that name. Juice Toast Mina 100% move. Yes, that is true. That did happen. That did happen. What did I say I was going to do just now? Oh, Digibyte. No. Oh, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh, Mong. That's what I said I was going to do. I don't know if that's on TradingView. Let me go to Dex Tools and see if I could track down Mong. Is Mong still trading? Oh, it's up 20%. Go for Mong. Good for Mong. Okay. So let's look at little Mongy, little Mongoose, little Mongeese. All right. So we're actually battling here. I'm seeing. Okay. Let's share screen. We see here that Mong making a little bit of a run, but we kind of hit its floor almost. Very close to hitting the floor. And we kind of pumped it back up. So, I mean, this could be forming of 3 white soldiers. If today finishes out in the green, then it could be 3 white soldiers, and that could be bullish. And then you could probably have some nice price action. But you also need that volume to continue coming in here as well. So that's pretty much what I could say for Mong, since it's a complete meme coin. You're welcome, Cryptophagia. You're welcome. Oh, Creighton, how's Sol doing? We're not talking about Solana. Solana's poop. You could chart the Uniswap WETH pool. The WETH. Next time I'll do that. Steven, I'm just kidding. I don't have any flux. I just like the name. I got it. Verhoofdy Floofin, have a good day. Dave Digital wants the rave. If we get 130 likes, 3 more likes, I'll rave. Oh, Gala. Is Uncle Jimmy here? Where's Uncle Jimmy? Uncle Jimmy, I'll do Gala especially for him. Where's Uncle Jimmy? Hey, AI answers daily. TLC Sarita, hello. Memory Man is chilling in the chat. Avo, nice to see you guys. All right, so boop, 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 boop. Where's Uncle Jimmy? Whatever. No, I'm not acknowledging you. Not anymore, especially because you reminded me. I forgot that I wasn't supposed to acknowledge you, but all right, so I'll look at Gala. I better be able to rave. The likes better be surpassing what I want if you guys want me to rave. Oh, sheesh balls. Okay, let's take a gander here. I'm getting Gala, guys. I'm getting Gala. Bear with me. Bear with me. Gala, my sheesh. What is going on with her? Gala, my girl. Gala. All right. I'll stop talking smack and I'll show you my chart now. Okay, Gala. This is very, very weird. What's going on? We're up 4%, but the thing is, we fell below our floor. I believe, unless Binance can put this up early enough or like not enough data is here in which you guys could let me know. But it seems like it went below its floor. It hit 1 cent. It's now at 15 and is testing this resistance, which again was looked at as support back here in December of 2022. We panted up with Gala, and then we were on this downtrend that's just ugly. Now, what we need to do is take a gander here. VWAP is looking pretty good. The RSIs are spiking, but when they're separated, CryptoFace was saying that it could be some dirty price action coming in. We have an increase in money flow as well.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
My sweet little XR pie is crushing it.
Three Diglets. I was missing you. I was hoping I'd see you today. Three Diglets, thank you for the $10 super chat. I will look at XR Pi right after I take a gander at Gala. Uncle Jimmy is here. Uncle Jimmy, I'm looking at Gala. Okay, hold on. Uncle Jimmy, this is for you. And it's not for Mr. Yeehaw. It's not. It's for you, Uncle Jimmy. Uncle Jimmy, look. We see here the RSIs are peaking. We see here that the VWAP looks pretty spicy. She needs to spike back up. Increase in money flow. Momentum needs to shift. Very interesting what's happening here, but we do have a green dot printed, so you never know what's next. Actually, momentum did start to shift. My eyes deceived me. Woo! Something's going on with Gala, Jimmy. Up 4%. Jimmy, we're looking to break through this. We tested and rejected 15.5 cents, but if we could pimp it back up and break this trend line that's kind of downward right now, Uncle Jimmy, we could have some spicy items going on. Right, Uncle Jimmy? Uncle Jimmy, how do you feel about Gala right now? How do you feel about Gala? Let me know. Counting my popcorn from the Gala film node. Go off. Go off. Gala FUD. Listen, hopefully it pamps it up. We need that volume, Uncle Jimmy, pass right through here and go off. We also have that 200-day SMA that we want to hit as well at 24 cents. So there you go, Uncle Jimmy. Uncle Jimmy, your Gala. Hopefully we can recover here and this becomes support again, just like it was here in December of 2022. Significant, significant. All right, let's look at XR Pi for our beautiful friend 3 Diggies. 3 Diggy Wiggy Wiggy. 3 Diggy Wiggy Wiggy. All right, XR Pi. Oops, I drew everywhere. All right. XR Pi, take a gander at her. She is 57 cents today, up 5%. I know 3 Diggy is loving it. We have a green money flow coming in. That VWAP is spiking. Everything on market Cipher pretty much looks chill, especially, the RSIs are a little bit separated, but they're coming back together, which is good. When the RSI, you see, are separated, you see we have that downward spiral. They tighten back up, we consolidate, and when they go back up, they separate a little bit, but we are having some bullish price action here. All right. We see here that we had an uptrend going on here with XRP, and we actually bounced right off of it the other day. We've been continuing to spike up. And 3 diglets, remember we were talking about the 200-day SMA. We went above it. We held it for a day. This is the second day. If we stay above the 200-day SMA, then again, that typically means bullish price action. Hopefully this becomes support at 54 cents because 54 cents has been a battle since literally October of last year. And we're looking for 64 cents next, around 64 cents. Let's straighten that out. Yes, still 64 cents, almost 64 and a half cents. But that's the next goal. Or maybe the next goal will probably just be surpassing this and closing above 58 cents. That's the goal. So there's your XRP. There's your XRP. Time to leave. Are you talking about New York? Yeah, New York sucks. I want to leave, please. Please get me out of here, guys. Get me out. Jimmy, all I need to see is 50-cent gala next run. Hold on. Get Uncle Jimmy. Let's go back. Let's go back. Oh, no. Where did I was just on a great chart. Where did that go? I'm going to be pissed. Oh my gosh, I literally lost it. Wow, this is sad. Where are my lines? Devastation. Actual devastation. I'm not even lying to you guys. Whoa. Whatever. 50-cent gala. Yeah, that's a hike, Jimmy. that's a hike, dude. But listen, if you believe in it, probably Uncle Jimmy, because of you, it will go. Because you're Uncle Jimmy. And if you give a golly to the chart, it will understand. The SEC being forced to reconsider BlackRock ETF if they come back with another dumb excuse to deny price goes back down. Who knows? Who knows? Guys, we have 140 likes. Can we get 150? Can we get 100? Oh, Alexandra G, MTCTA, thank you. I appreciate that. Okay, all right. Nothing to miss in NYC. The only thing we'll miss is the food. The only thing we'll miss is the food. That's it. That's it. All right, Guy, pulse the Gray's currency equals nice reflections. All right, got you. Sharam, hello. John Jermaine, the saying is you could tell it's winter when the license plates change. Yep. Getting out of here. Chris Hanley, nice to see you, Chris Hanley. All right, guys, I think it's time to rave. Ooh, guys, let's get 6 more likes. Come on, are you guys ready to rave? Who wants to rave? I need to see rave in the chat. Rave. I need to see rave in the chat. I need to see likes in the chat. I need to see emojis in the chat. I need 150 likes right now, or else my noodle is going to be lost. Where's the rave? Where's the rave? I need to see everyone say rave in the chat. I am waiting. I'm entering the elevator. I'm entering the elevator. Oh, guys, I'm back. How's it going? How's it going? Are we ready to rave? Are we ready to rave? Guys, I need to see 2 more likes, 150. 2 more likes, that's it. I see 149, let's go, 150. Well, I need to see 1 more like, 150. As soon as I see the 150, I will go. I will rave. Come on, guys. Come on, don't sleep. 2 people just unliked. We have 147. We just had 149. Guys, smash the like. Smash the like. Don't sleep. Oh, we hit 150. You know what that means? It is time.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Armani even confirmed it.
You're welcome.
Rave.
This is a bullish confirmation, Armani. It is time.
Pump it up.
You've got to pump it up for the rave. gosh, I feel like that went so fast. Do we need another rave? Do we need another rave? Guys, if we need another rave, put more raves in the chat. I need to know that we need more raves. That was too short. We need more raves. Guys, put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. Pamp it up. Let's go. Let's go. I need another rave. Ross says rave. Three Diglets says more rave. I need confirmation that you guys need more raves. Ooh, my earbud went flying. That's how hard I raved. That's how hard I raved. Let's go. Like actually, we got after it. We got after it. Ascending Bull was a rave. Sadie, sometimes, hello. Hello. Oh gosh, guys, this was awesome. This is awesome. Guys, we covered so much news today. We did a lot. Chris Hanley, oh, I'm sorry you didn't like the rave. Well, you got to rewind and go back for crypto news. You know, by the time we hit the hour mark, we're talking smack already. We already covered the news. But yeah, that was awesome. I just had a great time. Juice Toast a dance party. Yes, yes. Hi, Misko. And we even had breakfast yet. You got to get breakfast, memory man. Facts, party pooper, facts. But Chris Hanley's nice most of the time. I feel like he's maybe a little grumpy today. He's a little bit grumpy. Grumpy. Guys, that was awesome. I just had a great time. I love raving with you guys. Raving with you guys is like the absolute best thing ever. We probably need a rave emoji. I don't know how many more members do we need to get more emojis, because I think we need a rave emoji in the chat. Do you guys agree with that? Do you guys agree with that? I gotta see. This is something maybe I could look into later to see how many more we need. Let's see. 25 more. Oh, no. Never mind. Never mind. That's far away. Guys, we need a rave emoji one day. It will happen. Keep on raving, everyone. I agree. Do you guys want another rave? Jessica said rave. Sadie, sometimes MTC, first time watching, just learned about the channel from Ovalbor. Ovalbor spreading MTC adoption. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Sadie, welcome to the show. That is awesome. Welcome to the show. Julio said, watching MTC in the Starbucks drive-thru. Cheers, Julio. Cheers. Hope you're getting a warm butter croissant. I love the butter croissants from Starbucks. This is like absolutely awesome. Guys, do you guys want another rave? A rave? I think so. Yay, rave. Oh my gosh, that's so fun. That's actually so fun. Oval. Oh, you're getting spicy, bruh. You're getting spicy. Hi, M2. Welcome to the show. Savage loves it. Thank you. I appreciate it. Sadie's in the mining fam. Is she? I don't know if it's he or she. I'm assuming. I should not assume in this day and age. Sadie, welcome. Thank you for mining. Thank you for being awesome, and thank you for being a part of that family, because I love my miners. I love the nerds. Oh, guys, I'm actually out of breath. I need to exercise more. Speaking of exercising, I'm going to the gym later. I'm so excited to go to the gym. I love the gym. I'm like so pumped up for it. This week, I'm like actually nailing down a schedule. Oh, Jake, you fulfilled my goal. Thank you, Jake. Jake, if you're still here, giving you love and light. I appreciate that. Jean, what's up? Oh, that's Kenio. Thanks. Yeah, I'm so excited. So this week is like an actual schedule at the gym. I'm so excited. So like last week I did a few like days going, stretching, trying things out, playing around, and still got my stuff in. But today, real work begins. And I'm so excited. Like this is like everything. And I love just like exerting energy, you know? But yeah, so that's what I have to say. I don't know why 3 Diglets is super chest taking so long to come through. I'll wait for it. Oh, there it is.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Hip hip hooray.
Hip hip hooray! Woo! Thank you, Three Diglets. I appreciate you so much. I appreciate you. I really do. Zesty Shape, we will need gym wear then as well. Yeah. I do need more gym wear. That's the problem. That's the problem. Gym wear is definitely a must. Don't come after Red Panda. He's not here to defend himself. Memory Man, I appreciate you successfully staying as drama-free as possible in here. Thank you. We do try. We do try.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
MTCI Gym now too. Yesterday was my first in 29 years.
Dave Digital, let's go! Guys, we're all on a fitness journey together. Do you know how happy that makes me? Dave Digital, one more time, bro. That is absolutely amazing. You're going to the gym now, too. We're all gymming as a Zesty fam. We should have a fitness channel in Discord so we could talk about our workouts. Oh, my gosh. Let's go. Pamp it up for that. You got to pamp it up. Pump iron to pump the markets. This is amazing. I'm so excited. We need a gym live. Not when it's not embarrassing. When I get better, I will. Trust the system. Something different today, yeah. RN, thank you for the heart, me, and the earth. I appreciate it. Alejandro, good morning to you. Great and congrats. Oh, no, I did not acknowledge you. Keep forgetting. I'm not acknowledging you. I'm done with you. We need FTC gym lessons. I'm not good enough for that. Guys, I am so happy that you guys are a part of the family. I'm happy that you guys are going to the gym and we're all getting fit. We're drinking coffee in the morning together. We're having conversations. And that's what we really need to do with one another is have that beautiful conversation. Jimmy, going to the gym for the scenery and talent doesn't count. You have to actually work out, bruh, Jimmy. You guys are hilarious. Guys, we have 158 likes. Can we get 160? I don't know. I feel like I'm being greedy today. No. Dave Digital, please work out. Please let me know about your workout and how it goes.
A potato flew around my room before you came. Excuse
potatoes. Yeah. Oh, gosh. B-Team. Hi, B-Team. Crypto music 50% down but going on. It's okay, crypto music. We'll make it. We really will. And like I said, the next bull market's really going to be beyond melting faces. Dave, ChatGPT is my personal trainer. No, God! No, God, please, no! Guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm just joking, Dave. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. I guess, I mean, listen, like, if ChatGPT really works for you as your trainer, then, I mean, why not, you know? But you got to do what you got to do. You guys are actually so much. Like, you're too funny. You're actually too funny. I think we need one more rave. I don't know. I'm feeling ravey. Guys, if you think we should do one more rave, please put rave in the chat. Please put that in the chat. Do we need another rave? Do I need my noodle to be lost? Let me know. Do I need to rave? Rave. 2 more likes for rave. 160 likes for a rave. Doge Bull, welcome. He said I should rave. Sadie, subscribe to the channel. Hip hip hooray. Ooh. Do I get 2 more likes, guys? 160 likes. We can do it. Come on, guys. Rain love. All right. I'm about to rave. Tom Allen said I got my glow sticks. Go on, Tom Allen. Or myth with flowers. Guess that means it's time to...
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. welcome.
Kevin, thank you for the roses. He said, "Oh, the fit this morning." Yes. Do you like? This is probably like one of my favorite things ever. I was gonna wear it outside this morning, but it was too cold. Oh my gosh, you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. I can see Emma rave with her food. She'll have her chicken tendies. Absolutely, we'll have her chicken tendies and be raving right now. Absolutely. Oh my gosh, guys, this is awesome. Armani, play some real rave music.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Play some real rave music.
All right, if you have any copyright-free rave music, Armani, send it to my DM. You know where to get me. Call on the paramedics, MTC. Oh my gosh, Uncle Jimmy, that's so... I'm just trying to be fun. Guys, thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you haven't yet, make sure you guys hit that like, subscribe, share the stream out with friends so more people know what's going on in crypto, Bitcoin, the ETFs. People should learn how to rave, especially make sure you guys share that out. And if you guys think we're going to hit $39,700, it's a weird number, but that's what I'm looking at. Let me know in the comments below. If you think we're going to have a bullish week, let me know below. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate every single one of you. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow morning. And as always, don't be a
Hucksters.
Stay zesty. Peace.